was gonna boil some water, you know, for the steam, but they're all dirty. Oh!
Okay, for reals, this is a real video, but we had a lot of fun, the kids and I, making this review video. I am so grateful to Okaysou for sending us these fabulous products that I'm going to show you guys. There will be links for them in the video description, along with, of course, a discount for our loyal Frugal Family friends.
And then some days, you don't feel so good.
Luckily, we recently cleaned up here in the laundry room, and I know exactly where our humidifier is.
But I'm sick too. I need a humidifier.
Oh, what will we do?
I don't know.
Oh, honey.
Oh no, what will we do?
Maybe a really hot shower will do it? What will we do? What will we do?
Thank you, Okaysou.
So yes, the truth is, after all the decluttering that we have been doing, getting rid of stuff, sharing, selling, donating, all of that, we did end up getting rid of our second humidifier. We had donated that one. It was a... Kitty, bájate, gatita. Shh, déjala. We did, in fact, declutter our other humidifier. It was like a one that was given to me that it had been given to that person by someone else, and it was like 20 years old, and I think it still worked. I don't know. I hadn't used it in ages and ages. So when we did all start feeling under the weather this last week, it was really frustrating. That's the truth. There's 5 of us. There's 3 different bedrooms. So when a sickness comes into the house, it's almost guaranteed that everybody's going to get it, but not everyone's going to be able to have the humidifier in there with them, a very necessary tool. So what we've ended up doing the last several times that we were sick is once everyone was showing the symptoms, we would put our existing humidifier here in the hallway so that it could maybe spread out to the rooms. Well, then I was talking to our good friends at Okaysou, and they very generously offered this fantastic humidifier for us to try out and to show you and to give you a discount and to tell you whether or not we like it and what we think. I know, you guys, we have been doing a lot of sponsored type content in the last, month or so. And we will be doing more, and not always sponsored. Several of the things that we've been reviewing, we have purchased ourselves. I do appreciate you all hanging in there with me during the recovery time. I absolutely hope that by late spring, early summer, I will be able to bring you that dumpster diving content that so many of you are here for or came here for. It's just not possible right now. Real life human and just not able to do that yet. So all of you are absolutely loyal frugal friends. Thank you so much for watching any and all of the content that I put out and for clicking on the links, whether you buy or don't, clicking on those links from our sponsors or the items that we have purchased ourselves. And we put like Amazon affiliate links. Just clicking on any of those helps so much for the channel and makes it possible for us to continue bringing you content in the interim until we are able to do some of those other saving and salvaging activities. Okay, so this is the Aqua Q4 Cool Mist Humidifier. Okay, instructions. Ta-da! Okay. Oh, it's adorable. Oh my goodness, it is. I feel like I'm holding a baby. It is, it's so cute. So it's much smaller than the one that we have. It's a different brand. I think we probably got it at Walmart. It's like twice this size. But I do feel like the bigger one that we have is something that's meant for a bigger room. And most of you know, there are no big rooms in our house. A major part of why we jumped into the massive house clean out decluttering project, late last year. I think this will absolutely be size appropriate for our bedrooms. I absolutely plan on buying one from Okaysou. Yes, they sent us this one, but I've decided I'm definitely buying another one just because I really like the size and because I have been thrilled with the quality of the Okaysou products. Some of you might have noticed that in our kitchen, there's a new microwave. Why are so many things made for purpose obsolescence. No quality. Things are just made, not everything. So many things are just not made to last anymore. And that is really unfortunate. Part of my mission as the Frugal Mama in doing these reviews of different products is to find the things that are actually worth your hard-earned money and ours, the things that will last, that will stand up to the test of time, that are made well, so that when we are in the market for something like a humidifier or a microwave or whatever, we'll be able to make informed decisions because we're trying them out here at the Frugal Family. Okay. Seriously, it's so cute. You're so cute.
Wow!
Cord's all wrapped up. So all you've got to do, it's very similar to the big one that we have. You're going to open this. My hands are working today. Yay! Fill this up. I'm going to put this back on. You can see the parts down here where it all goes together. Julie, be smarter than the humidifier. There we go. Okay. Something I've really loved about the Okaysou products is the length of the cord. Maybe to some of you that's like kind of a silly kind of a thing. I don't think so. I think a lot of you understand the value of a long cord. Yeah. That's fantastic. I love me a good long cord. Isn't it silly how as we get older, the things that we get excited about, it is what it is.
That's exactly what I wanted.
Oh my goodness. Literally, this is my birthday week, turning 42. And one of the presents, early birthday presents that I got was this gardening set with like a bench, stool thing that you can like kneel on. And then it has like a baggie with all kinds of tools and really awesome gardening gloves. Most especially the important thing is the tray thing, the stool for my knees and everything like that, or so I can sit in the garden. How did this happen? I mean, I've always loved gardens and gardening, but what I'm pointing out is that I'm excited for a stool for my garden and gardening because of how physically difficult it has become for me to garden, and then my back and, oh God, getting older. Things change, all right? Things change, and we just make the best of it that we can. So yes, I'm excited about our cute little humidifier. Let's get some water in here. Let's plug it in. Let's try this out. I like the size of it. It fits comfortably into our bedroom. And because we have decluttered and cleaned several other rooms in the house, it fits perfectly. It's not in the way at all. The power is fantastic. The sound, perfect. Thank you so much for watching, Frugal Friend. If you are not yet subscribed, there is a button for that down below, along with a thumbs up, thumbs down. We'll appreciate either, but of course we would prefer a thumbs up. Lots more frugal living related videos coming soon here at the Frugal Family. Thank you, Okaysou, for this continued relationship. We're so grateful to you for these products and for providing discounts to our frugal friends. Don't forget, guys, the link is in the video description. Have a beautiful day and a wonderful week, and we'll see you all real soon.